In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Autotune on CapCut. We're going to use CapCut's built-in voice effect to give your audio that polished, pitch-corrected sound people recognize as Autotune. This is quick, beginner-friendly, and works great for vocals in songs, voiceovers, or spoken lines you want to stylize. I'll walk you through exactly where to click, and I'll add simple tips so you get a clean result without guesswork. Start by opening CapCut. If you're not already in a project, create a new one or open an existing edit so you have a timeline to work with. Make sure your workspace is visible and that you can see the timeline tracks at the bottom. That's where your audio will live and where the effect will be applied. Once your project is open, we're ready to bring audio in and shape the sound. Next, click on Audio. You'll typically find this along the main toolbar or in the media panel, depending on your layout. The audio section is where you add music, sound effects, and voice tracks to your project. When it opens, you'll see options to browse, import, or access your library. Keep an eye on the timeline, because newly added audio will drop right onto a track below your video. Now, choose a song. Pick a clip that contains vocals if you want the Autotune effect to be obvious. Autotune works by correcting pitch on a voice, so an instrumental track won't showcase much change. If you're testing the feature, a short vocal sample is perfect. Also, make sure the audio is at a good volume so you can clearly hear the effect when we add it. With your song in place, click on Voice Filters. This opens a panel of preset effects designed for spoken word and singing. You'll see different styles that color the tone, add character, or correct pitch. Select the audio clip on your timeline first so the effect targets the right track. If you don't hear changes, double-check that the clip is highlighted and that monitoring is on. Finally, click on Autotune. CapCut will analyze the vocal content and apply pitch correction automatically, giving that smooth, tuned quality. Press play to preview in real time and listen for how the voice locks closer to pitch. The result can be subtle or pronounced depending on the source. Clearer vocals and steady volume usually produce the most noticeable effect. If you need a cleaner demo, try a section where the voice is front and center. When you're happy with the sound, you're all set. The Autotune is applied to your chosen clip. That's it. Open CapCut, go to Audio, choose a song, open Voice Filters, and click Autotune. Happy editing!